Did you know that one of the greatest scientists of our time almost ended up pursuing a career in classical music? That's right. Meet Jayant Vishnu Narlikar, an astrophysicist whose groundbreaking theories have reshaped our understanding of the universe. Born on July 19, 1938, in Kolhapur, India, Jayant Narlikar was destined for greatness. His father, Vishnu Vasudev Narlikar, was a noted mathematician, and his mother, Sumati Narlikar, was an accomplished Sanskrit scholar. With such intellectual prowess in his genes, it's no wonder young Jayant showed an early aptitude for science and mathematics. From an early age, Jayant displayed an insatiable curiosity about the cosmos. He would often gaze at the stars, pondering the mysteries of space. But what truly set him apart was his fearless questioning of established norms. This intellectual rebellion would become a hallmark of his illustrious career. By the age of 20, Narlikar had graduated from Banaras Hindu University with a degree in mathematics. It was during his time here that he was introduced to mathematical physics, a field that would become his lifelong passion. His brilliance earned him a prestigious scholarship to Cambridge University, where he joined the ranks of eminent scientists. At Cambridge, Narlikar worked under the tutelage of the renowned astrophysicist Fred Hoyle. Together, they developed the revolutionary Hoyle-Narlikar theory of gravity. This theory sought to explain the large-scale structure of the universe without relying on the concept of dark matter. It was a radical departure from conventional thinking, and it earned Narlikar both acclaim and controversy. In 1963, Narlikar completed his PhD at Cambridge and continued to work alongside Fred Hoyle. They delved into the intricacies of cosmology, challenging existing paradigms and proposing new ones. Their collaboration led to the creation of the conformal gravity theory, another groundbreaking contribution to astrophysics. Despite his illustrious career abroad, Narlikar felt a deep connection to his homeland. In 1972, he returned to India, determined to advance the scientific community there. He joined the Tata Institute of Fundamental Research in Mumbai, where he established a vibrant astrophysics department. His passion for education and research inspired a new generation of Indian scientists. But Narlikar's contributions weren't confined to academia. He was a prolific writer, penning several popular science books aimed at making complex concepts accessible to the general public. His book, The Scientific Edge, won widespread acclaim and transformed the way people viewed science. As if his scientific achievements weren't enough, Narlikar also had a keen interest in music. A talented sitar player, he found solace in the rhythms and melodies of classical Indian music. Indeed, the world of science is fortunate that Narlikar chose to focus his talents on unraveling the mysteries of the universe. Throughout his career, Narlikar received numerous accolades, including the Padma Vibhushan, India's second highest civilian award, but perhaps his most significant legacy lies in his relentless pursuit of knowledge and his unwavering commitment to challenging established norms. Even as he entered his later years, Narlikar's quest for understanding remained undiminished. He continued to mentor young scientists, sharing his wisdom and encouraging them to question everything. His influence extended far beyond his own research. It shaped the very fabric of modern astrophysics. Jayant Vishnu Narlikar's life is a testament to the power of curiosity and the importance of never settling for easy answers. His journey from a stargazing child in Kolhapur to one of the world's foremost astrophysicists is an inspiration to us all. Inspired by Jayant Vishnu Narlikar's cosmic journey, share your thoughts in the comments and let us know which scientific pioneer you want to explore next.